flatten that car to make it like a bit of a ramp. He'll go over the whole lot now.
Safe to say that Ford's seen better days.
Needs to push it a bit to get out.
Go on.
Ready.
Wow. Look at them now, they look taller, don't they?
He's coming back for more. Fred, I think that's what you call an IKEA car.
Now, aren't they?
Flat packed.
Yeah, it's actually, I can see the new people on Top Gear, they wanted to get inside one of these cars, weren't they? And see what it's like with Bigfoot going over them. You see Chris Evans in there.
I think you're just bitter you didn't get the job, Fred.
Watch your window in that green car.
Just revving up, ready to go for another go.
Might be able to get that. The back window, it might be able to break that, you never know. Oh, he can break it. Look at that.
This Bigfoot does 56 yards to the gallon, so hardly fuel efficient, but he's putting it to good use right now.
He'll drive over it.
These things is absolutely outrageous. I can't get over it every time I meet him, but he had a big pickup truck and a 4x4 shop, and he used to go out at weekends and show off the modifications he'd made to his truck, and he just kept putting bigger and bigger tyres on it. And he was at an agricultural show one day and he saw these on a crop sprayer.